back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another food review at Ninja Ramen. It's a Japanese place. So we are going to be trying the pork, and I really think I will like it. So here's the menu. It's at the back right here. It is called Kids Katsudon.
It's katsudon. It's steamed rice with one piece of fried pork cutlet, cucumber, and fried egg.
Oh, and here's the egg. Here is the pork.
Ooh, wait, that looks good, doesn't it?
And some cucumber and fried rice.
Steamed rice.
Yeah. So now we're here to be tasting it, and then after I'm gonna be rating it. Yeah, mommy.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try the pork
No, I'm not doing it.
first. This is pork. This is pork. Taking forever.
We're still learning chopsticks.
Yeah, so learning how to use chopsticks.
You should take out the skin.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be tasting all the flavors. I like how savory it is, how juicy it is. I love the pork, it's just so delicious. And it has a lot of flavors. It's
You gotta
delicious.
take a picture of this. I think you might want to buy some of this.
And it's just really delicious.
Rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being the worst, 10 being the best.
I would want to rate it a 9.9.
9.9. So almost perfect.
I'm ready to order now.
If you guys are ever in Arlington, come check this place out. It's called Ninja. What's it called again?
Ninja ramen.
Ninja Ramen. So come check it out and get some of the pork. It's really delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.